Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm making some Thai red curry. So here's the stuff that you're gonna need. I have chicken thighs that I diced into bite-sized pieces, minced garlic. If you have it, you can use minced shallots. I have kaffir lime leaves here, assorted color bell pepper for a pop of color, onions as well. Today I didn't have any Thai basil, so I'm gonna leave it out. Here's all the other stuff that you'll be needing. I have bamboo shoots. They come canned ready and you can use any kind. And I'm adding baby corn, some straw mushrooms, whole eggs. This is optional. This is the coconut milk I like to use. And then this is the brand that I like to use for the red curry paste. It look like this, okay? Next, this is what I like to do. This is optional. Boil everything in a pot of water. This is how to get rid of the brine smell in the can. I don't like that taste. So next, we're gonna strain this for a colander. Just run it over cold water, stop the cooking process. Turn on the heat, medium high. I'm gonna add oil to pan. Just so I could get evenly coated. Once it's hot, you're gonna go ahead and go in with the garlic. Turn it to get a little bit of color. Once it's fragrant, we're gonna go ahead and throw in our chicken. I want this to cook for 60 to 70%. Now I am using a combination of chicken thighs and drumsticks. Use any kind of meat you want. I prefer dark meat, it's more flavorful. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in some kaffir lime leaves. Now I'm gonna add 4 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, or you can use chicken broth. 1/4 of a cup of fish sauce, 2 palm sugar or regular sugar. So they look like this. You find that Asian style. Stir and combine well. Mix everything all in. Now I'm gonna add in my red curry paste. Some curry brands, some is more saltier than others, okay? You may have to adjust the recipe. Just let this cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Once you can smell the spice, the aromatics, you can go ahead and add in the coconut milk. Now add in the coconut milk. I'm using 2 cans. You can use any kind of coconut milk. Now bring the heat down to medium-low because you don't want the coconut milk to splat on you. Stir everything in. And now you can add in your bamboo, corn, your straw mushroom, or whatever you want to use. Just stir everything in. Let this cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Now this is because I'm diluting it. I don't like mine too creamy. It's up to you, okay? You can use less water if you want it more creamy. But I feel like this consistency is rich and perfect. Okay, I'm just letting this simmer for 3 to 5 minutes, okay guys? And see how my curry is. It's runny and it's not too thick. So if you want it more thick, you can just let it reduce, let it keep simmering, or you could just add less water. Next, I'm gonna go in and add in all my veggies for the pop of color. So beautiful. And we're done, guys. Dinner served. Again, the star of the show is the Thai basil, but I didn't have it, okay? But it still tastes delicious. If you guys have it, then go ahead and add it in. And there it is, guys. My Thai red curry. Very delicious. Thai chicken red curry is best paired with jasmine rice for a balance in flavors. Now that you know how to make this, save this video for later, tag me if you tried this, and tag a friend who you want to try this with.